Please. Judge Ahu, in your view, in your other hat as a judge, your retired judge, if there are no specific guidelines outlined, it's my understanding that the courts rule very narrowly with regard to religious protections. They, generally speaking, they are not expansive in their interpretation. This is a generalization, but from your experience, is that a fair estimation?
I can't really answer that specific. I'm just trying to think of some specific case. It's a First Amendment right. And so when you look at it as a court and you're reviewing it through First Amendment lenses, then there is a high degree of standard that you need.
Well, an individual has rights of conscientious objection. Muhammad Ali didn't. The Supreme Court ruled he had a religious right not to be drafted, not to fight in a war. And we're talking about photographers will be compelled to make an affirmative action, which is to photograph a wedding. Did Muhammad Ali have a higher standard to meet, not to be drafted?
No, it's in a claim where it's an unconstitutional law. I know what you're asking now. Yeah, there are individual religious protections, or protections for individuals on religious rights.
Okay, and I'm moving quickly because it's late. I don't want to hog it. Earlier today, Judge Levinson told us there was no civil right to same-sex marriage or a fundamental right either. What does that mean to the layperson? No civil right or no fundamental right to same-sex marriage. What does that mean to the layman?
There's a civil right to marry. He was correct in that.
No, he said there was no civil right to same-sex marriage.
Yeah, there's no civil right to same-sex marriage.
And there's no civil right, no fundamental right to same-sex marriage.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, members, any other questions? Representative Ward.